Good morning, good morning. Liz here, Liz here. I'm just cooking some jerk barbecue chicken. Already cut up my chicken, washed my chicken with some vinegar. So we're going to season our chicken together. Just removing the excess water from our chicken. Haven't been live in a while, and I'm doing this for all of my viewers and subscribers who have been asking me, hey Queen, when are you going to make another cooking video? So I'm doing this one for you, and I'm doing jerk barbecue, and I'm doing this in the oven. So I already have the oven preheating at 450 degrees, and I'm just gonna go season my chicken now. Hope you all having a lovely Sunday. This will be my Sunday dinner. So let's season this up together. So as I'm saying, if you're just joining, this is my chicken, nicely washed, about 6 leg quarters, and hey pals. So I'm going in with my smoked, I love smoked paprika because it's delicious, especially when you're doing like grill or jerk chicken. You want that smoky taste. Worst if you're doing it in the oven and you're not doing this on a grill, you might want this nice smoky flavor. And I'm going in with the meat seasoning. And I'm using about half tablespoon each of these seasoning. I'm having my ancestors to guide me right now with the seasoning, but if you need to measure, I'm using about half tablespoon. I use a lot of seasoning because I love when my chicken is well seasoned. But if you don't want to use so much seasoning like me, oh sorry, and this one is the Cool Runnings chicken seasoning, and I have used the meat seasoning, the smoked paprika, and now I'm going in with some extra garlic extra. And for this one, I am just going to add just like 1 teaspoon of this one because this one is salty. So this is the garlic extra seasoning. And just to have a little bit more extra garlic because I love garlic, I'm going also in with 1 teaspoon, sorry, of my garlic powder. So all y'all doing, I'm just gonna season this chicken, pop this in the grill, and then we guys can have a chat. Okay? I mean pop it in the oven. I think I said pop it in the grill. So now I am going to go in with my jerk rubber, and I already have a video on how to make your jerk rub. So this is my homemade jerk rub. I'm putting in about 2 tablespoons of my jerk rub. Yep, yep. As I'm saying, I'm not measuring anything, but also, but 2 tablespoons of this goodness. And this jerk rub is very spicy. You don't need any pepper, but if your jerk marinade is not spicy enough, you can go ahead and add your pepper, like you can go ahead and add like some cayenne pepper or any hot pepper sauce or powder that you have. I'm so sorry. I think my Wi-Fi was giving some trouble, as I'm saying. So let me go over. I don't know where it cut out, but I added 2 tablespoons of my green marinade and about 3 tablespoons of my jerk marinade, and these are homemade. And I already have a video on how to make your green marinade and your jerk marinade. So you might hear a little rattling in the back. I'm just opening up a bottle of garlic, and you can use your fresh garlic and use a garlic press just to crush your garlic. But sometimes you just want to easy going. So this is the garlic that I'm using, and I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons. As I'm saying, I love garlic. You can use one. It's up to you. But I love garlic. Love garlic. And over here in my rice cooker, as you can see, I have some gungo rice and peas. Well, we call it gungo rice and peas. Come on. Or you can call it gungo rice, gungo peas, whatever you want to call it. But we Jamaicans, so we cook some gungo rice and peas. And now we're going to rub this in. But before we rub this in, I'm going to tell you why it's called jerk barbecue and not only jerk. Okay? So we're gonna prepare the barbecue sauce that we're gonna put over this. So I'm just gonna rub this in, and then we're gonna prepare the barbecue sauce. Remember, I have my oven preheating at 450 degrees. So we're gonna rub this in well. Make sure you get all of that seasoning inside your chicken. And to get this for the best result, because I normally do that, is leave my chicken to marinate. But because I'm doing a live, I couldn't marinate the chicken. So what you can do, you can cover your chicken and leave it to marinate, or marinate, I should say, for about, I think about 40 minutes will do, but overnight is the ideal thing. But this is Sunday dinner, so we are not going to leave this to marinate. Okay, let me see if you're seeing all of this goodness. So we see all of this goodness. Forgive my lighting. My I broke my light that I had. So forgive me. So I'm just gonna wash my hands. You want me? You want my for? Okay, no worries. That was my hobby. All right, so here I have my little baking tin, and I'm using the foil tin. Trust me, these came in so handy on a Sunday morning like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm putting some olive oil, and I'm just going to grease this. Just let the oil run down all over your pan. Please remember to join my membership. Please remember to join my membership. I have membership as low as $1.99 because I will start doing members only videos and I don't want you to miss out on any of my videos. So please be reminded to join my membership. And thank you to all of my members. Thank you so very much for your ongoing support, pals, Nicole. If you're not a subscriber or even a viewer of Pals Island Kitchen, please, I'm asking you to go over to my girl. She has some wonderful and delicious recipe over there, as well as Cooking with Nicole and Anne Marie Cooking Healthier. As you hear the name Healthier, so she has some wonderful, healthy, and delicious recipes over there. So Anne Marie Cooking Healthier, Cooking with Nicole, Pal's Island Kitchen. They are members of my channel. Please, I'm asking you, please go over and support. Please go and support. So what we're gonna do now, we are just going to add our chicken to the pan. And what I normally do, just a little hint, so the skin get crispy before I put the chicken skin up in the pan. So I do skin up. And today I will be blending up some strong back for my husband. I don't know, I might go live while I'm blending the strong back for my husband. Leave me a comment and let me know if I should go live doing the strong back, or if you would like to see me prepare it live, or do you want me to do like a upload? Normally, that's what I would do, like record it and upload it. But let me know if you want me to do a live of making the strong back for my husband, and my cousin coming over for his back cousin. Make sure one me now. Yes, cousin Ferris, if you're watching, I'm talking about you. Like you sure watch me. Yes, daughter. I'm making some jerk barbecue and I'm live. So just so your mouth not going on my video. That's my daughter asking me what I'm cooking. And all of that good seasoning, you don't want to lose that. I'm gonna show you in the pan shortly how delicious this is looking. So what I do, I crepe out my pan, crepe out the seasoning. See all of that? Look. Yes, you don't want to leave that in the pan. No, 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 no. All right. No, I didn't plant any plants. They were there. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands again. All right. So let me show you the goodness that is here right now. That's the goodness. Look how that is looking. Beautiful. Chef Ricardo, big up yourself. Big up Chef Ricardo, my mentor, my friend, Chef Ricardo Cooking. So that's the chicken. So it's ready for the oven. Remember to preheat your oven. So I'm going in and I'm putting this on the bottom rack. So let me see if I can turn on this camera. Bottom rack, okay? And I am going to leave that to take some color. And while that is taking some color, you know what your girl gonna do? I'm gonna make the barbecue sauce, and this is the most important part. The most important part right now, I have to make the barbecue sauce. I'm gonna show you how simple and easy that is going to be. Because today we ain't trying to stress anyone out on a Sunday. If you agree with me, say I agree with you, Queen. You know what? No stress on a Sunday. Just want whip up little sauce and go about your business. Anywhere you go. In it. Yeah, man. Especially if you're busy like me, you know? Always busy like bees. So in a nice little bowl right here. Let me see if I can bring down the camera. Yep, right there. Right there. Look at that. I might get better at this. So in a nice little bowl right there. So we are gonna make the barbecue sauce. So you can use honey or you can use some brown cane sugar. So what I'm going to do, I'm using 1 tablespoon of cane brown sugar, soft brown cane sugar. 1 tablespoon. And to make life really, really easy, I'm gonna go in with some ketchup. About 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And we Jamaican, so when the ketchup done, like when the ketchup done now, guess what you do? Who know? Tell me. If you know it, if you're a Jamaican, or if you have any Jamaican family, or if you ever been to Jamaica and you see anybody cook, when the ketchup done, we not throw it the back, we just get some water in there, shake it up so. I'm gonna pour that in there, cause nothing now wasting or nothing now dash away. Okay? Good. So me have a little sauce where I just fall in love with it. But now I tell no lie. I'm gonna tell you how much I love using this sauce. Me literally put this even when me I do stew chicken, me add this sauce. I swear. Because it get one little tangy, it get a little vibe when me like. Me not lie. Get a little vibe. So I like it. Me like it. Alright. So I'm going to unwrap. Oh, I just moved, and that is why everything I want tape. So bear with me. I'm removing the tape from my Worcestershire sauce. Hope me I said that right, lad. They must something will make a bite your tongue. A Jamaican queen girl like me. Worcestershire. See why I'm gonna come live too often? Because don't want people to say this girl is crazy. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of my Worcestershire sauce, two about 2 to 3 teaspoons. And I'm saying it's really up to you of the taste. You can always taste the sauce and add whatever more you want add to it. Alright, as Mr. Forgive me for my lighting, forgive me for the light, but I'm gonna get back a light, okay? I promise. As I'm saying, I just moved, so really. Alright, so I'm going with this all-purpose sauce. It's really good, and I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of that. And here comes my little secret: sugar cane molasses. Sugarcane molasses. Yes. This going gives a buzz. And I'm going in with just a teaspoon because it's sweet and we already add the sugar. If you're mindful of sugar, please use honey. or you can just use the molasses and don't use the cane sugar. Okay, and that is the reason why I'm just going in, just to give it the flavor. I'm just going in with 1 teaspoon of my molasses. Okay, and final for my, no, not final, I have one more thing. How can I? So I'm going in with some vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar. Um, and I'm using about 1 teaspoon. I'm using the organic, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. But you can use a white vinegar as well. So you have the sweet, you see what me I go now. You have the sweet and you have the tangy. Alright? So now me have about quarter buckle of the Diana sauce, and I love to use two types. This is one, I'm going to add the other one. So this is the original. So I'm going in with quarter bottle of the original. Oh no, I less than quarter bottle. This is about a little bit less than quarter bottle. And again, we don't throw things out, we wash them out. So I catch a little bit more water, shake that out. If your sauce is not finishing, you're gonna have to add some water because we're gonna bring this to a boil in a small pot. You don't want it too thin, but you don't want it too thick. Okay? Wanna see the chop? Alright. So now I'm going in with the ribbon chicken. Yes. And about 1 tablespoon just for the flavor. 1 tablespoon. And we're just gonna combine this now. We'll spin that up. You know, you could add, so if you taste this and it's a little bit too sweet and you want a little bit more tang to it, you can add some lemon juice. Because that's what I do, but because the Worcestershire, well, tongue twister, the Worcestershire sauce is a little tangy, the ketchup is tangy, and also the vinegar. You have to be mindful of when you're adding too much tang. But we have the sweet as well, which is the sugar, the brown cane sugar, and the molasses. So you taste this. If it's too tangy, add like a bit more molasses. If it's too sweet, add some lemon juice. All right, so let me taste this and see where we're at. Yo, this is like the perfect sauce. Me not lie. This is like the perfect sauce. So this now we're gonna put this on the stove. I'm gonna teach you two ways. You can put this in a small pot and bring it to a nice boil for about 5 minutes. Keep stirring. Or when your chicken, when the top part of your chicken, the skin up that we just put, gets a little bit of crisp, we're gonna turn over our chicken. So we're gonna turn it over and make both sides have a nice crisp color. Cause me like when it crispy, cause jerk chicken, yeah. So you do it as much as you like it though, to your preference. And then when the chicken cook, make sure the chicken cook first and it reach to the desired look that you're looking for. Then you can throw all of this over it and should be back into the oven. So, oh, sorry. You can put this over your chicken and put it back into the oven for about 10 minutes, depending on your oven. Or you can wait till the chicken complete done, ready for eat, take it out of the oven, bring this to a boil, and pour it over it. It's totally up to you. But sometimes I don't like, some people don't like, say, raw ketchup taste over sauce, barbecue sauce taste over their meat. They like it to get a little bit of boil or a little bit of cooking or baking. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pour this over my chicken when it's ready, and I'm going to put it back into the oven. I'm going to make a short video on the final result because the chicken is not going to compete right now. So this video is going to be too long. So I'm going to make a short video on the ending of the video and the outcome. And I'm going to show that to you guys. So look out for the part two. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much, all of my viewers, all of my subscribers. I hope you do enjoy this video. Until next time, stay safe and God bless you and your queen.